Today I'm going to talk about 4 modifications that I made to my 4Runner that you can accomplish in less than 1 day. 3 of these things I wish I'd have done a lot sooner, and one of them is a performance game changer. None of these modifications costed a whole lot of money. Let's get into it.
These Raptor lights I did right after I bought the 4Runner. Easiest modification ever. They wire directly into the fuse box. Super simple to do. The cost is phenomenally low. It's like less than $50. I can't even remember. I'll check and put a link in the description, but it's super low. It doesn't cost very much at all. I think it's one of the best looking modifications you can make. Another thing I did was change my stock tires to 285 7017s. These are Falken Wildpeak AT4s, and I don't have any lift whatsoever on the TRD Pro other than what comes on the TRD Pro. The TRD Pro is lifted a bit from the other models, so I guess technically there is a slight lift. There is no rubbing. And I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, it's going to rub when you go off-road. I go off-road. I don't go off-road maybe as extreme as a lot of people, but I definitely get it on trails and stuff, and I haven't had any problem whatsoever. I'm talking about full turns, forward and reverse. Now, you know, if you go extreme like rock climbing and stuff, you're going to want to lift anyway. So if you're doing, you know, heavy-duty off-roading, sure, you're going to need a lift, but you're going to need that anyway. But if you just want to throw a little bit larger tire on your vehicle and you have a TRD Pro 5th gen, you know, I'm not telling you it'll work. I'm just telling you it worked on mine.
And before you say it, I know my car needs detailing. I know my 4Runner is in bad shape on the inside. It's really not in bad shape. It just needs a detail. And I just don't want to do it because I travel with my dog about 3 times a week. And for me, it's just ridiculous because I could detail it and 3 hours later, I would be looking at just as much dog hair as you see here now. Look, the seat covers that I'm showing you here, they fit like a glove. I know they're not a modification, it's more of an accessory, but I wanted to show them to you anyway because I like the way they look. They keep that red and black theme, but they give the seats just a little bit more vibrant look with a little more red on them than the stock seats. And for me, traveling with dogs, this is another way to help protect the interior of the vehicle in case I ever do sell it. Eventually, I'll sell the 4Runner, you know, and I'll buy another one probably. But anyway, this is a great seat cover, fits like a glove, and easy to install.
By far the best modification I made to this vehicle so far, not just this year, better than tires, better than anything, and still very inexpensive, like under $300 was at the time, and I don't know how much it'll be if you look at it, you know, a year from now. But chip tuning, if you hadn't put a chip tuner in your vehicle yet, boy, are you missing out. And I missed out. I was missing out for the first 2.5, 3. I bought this in 21. It's 24 now. It's about to be 25. I should have done this the day I bought the vehicle, because if you own a 4Runner, you know how slow they can feel. Look at what I put in, and they make these in all different brands. I'll link a few of them. I'll show you which one I got, and I'll link a few of them in the description, just give you a variety. This one, I can tell you for certain, works awesome, and it was super easy to install. I installed it. I'm no master mechanic by any means. It took me like 10 minutes, and man, did it make a difference. This right here, this is they call it an effing tuned, except they don't say effing, they say the word, they misspell it so they can get away with it in advertising. I'm not so much into saying that on YouTube because I think it'll get me demonetized, or at least get the video demonetized, and I don't want to do that. But this thing is literally the easiest install ever. You simply pull the
Connector
off the top of your gas pedal. If you follow it, there's basically a plug-and-play piece that unplugs. You plug it into the chip tuner, and then you basically plug the other plug from the chip tuner back into the pedal, and that's it. I mounted this with double-sided tape, which it did not come with. I just used double-sided tape. All right, we're about to start out at the effing fast +4. Definite difference, huge difference. Wow, what a big
And I just barely touch the gas, and that's a huge, huge difference. Oh yeah. Oh, I like that. That is quite nice. Really nice. And of course, I went on to test out all the different selections that it had, or at least most of them. I didn't go the effing slow because I don't care about gas mileage that much. And if you have a 4Runner, you probably don't either because you don't buy them for gas mileage. You buy them for durability and off-road capability and all kinds of other reasons, but you generally don't buy them for gas mileage. There's a difference right on the Cruise Zero. Like I could tell immediately on that I had better throttle response and just overall better performance. But when you notch it up to +4, then you notice it even more. And then when I put it on the effing fast +4, that was a huge difference. Huge difference. So much, much better response. Before I end the video, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. Please like the video. Please comment and tell me if you found any of these devices that are better than what I found. Like if you found one that you like better than that for some reason, comment and tell me what it is, because I'll take that one out and put yours in. I mean, I'll try it. You know, use the links if you want to. If you don't, that's cool too. I do earn a little something for the effort. If you use those links, I get a little commission, but that's not why I put them in there. I put them in there to make stuff easy to find. So you can go, you know, use the links, or you can go buy them wherever. Listen, I appreciate you watching the video. And like I said, let me know if there's something that you've done to your 4Runner that you just thought was great. I think it's the best thing I've done to the 4Runner since I bought the 4Runner.